All right, so in case anybody needed a reminder to follow the instructions, printed these out overnight and I can't use any of them. Basically, they're supposed to be holes on the little bottom texturized face of this. It's supposed to be kind of a fidget toy, right? So it's supposed to go together right about like this. And the idea is that you have magnets in there and they just create some like tactile feedback as you spin the two pieces. Well, if I had actually looked at the instructions on the creator's page, I would have noticed you're supposed to stop this print partway through and drop the magnets into it. I did not do that. So I basically just got a bunch of tiny little plastic rings. I could maybe drill them out and make it work, but I don't know if that would be worth it. But at least this still works.